Hi guys. So it's my birthday month and I decided to do some shopping, a little lot actually. And if you guys want to see what all did I get, so please keep on watching. So first let's talk about what I got for myself in hair care. I got this Olaplex treatment which is number 0 and number 3. I got this from the Emerald Salon. I already get Olaplex treatment done like number 1 and 2, and I have used the shampoo 4 and 5, and I have used this number 3 also before. So I decided now that number 0 has been launched, I decided to try both of them. It is quite expensive. It's quite an expensive treatment. I think each costs around 2700. So but I believe a lot into the power of Olaplex. In case talking a lot about them, like the number 4, 5, 6 has confused you, please google it. I can only briefly say that it helps you strengthen your hair. It helps to build your hair quality. So if you're looking out for something, please do check this brand out. It is expensive, no doubt, but if you think about it in long term, it's a very good investment. Same lines, I got this for myself. So this is, let me bring it closer. Yes, this is the Kerasius Future Dose. Again, this is actually I got it into a black market. Reason being, they are not. Reason being, this is not available in retail because this is purely for the salon and because they are supposed to treat our hair. I get this treatment done once a month and I pay around 15 to 2000. So I decided to buy this itself. Also, I need to buy another product which we have to mix together and then use it, and I will share with you all a detailed review about this in case you're interested. But yes, I did decided to go ahead and through my good contacts I decided to buy this product too. So yes, these two are from my hair care. With birthdays, we all know we are not getting any younger, and this is what I decided to invest for my this birthday, which is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. They were running some offer, and they had newly launched their website, so I thought this is a good time to start. Also, with I have crossed 30, like really 30, a long time actually. Now that crossed 30, I felt it was a good time to invest. I got another sample pieces along with it, and couple of other more pieces. In fact, I even got an eye cream with it. So I felt it was an overall very good deal to start with Advanced Night Repair. So if you guys are interested to know about more about this product, please google it. It's a absolute cult favorite. I have already started using the sample C piece. It is doing okay for me. I mean, it's too early to really tell the effect, but yes, these two what did I got. So from the brand Aldo, I got 3 footwear, and this is the first one. These are plain simple sliders, and this is in the color tan. I generally buy footwears which are very utilitarian. I'm quite utilitarian when it comes to footwear, and I like to stick to my basic, and I know this is what always works for me. So yes, this is in the color tan. My second piece again shouldn't be a surprise. Again, is in the color tan, but this is with a twist with this rope look, and this is how it looks. Again, like I said, I'm quite a utilitarian when it comes to footwear. I don't really like to change much. So, and again, it shouldn't surprise you, my third footwear is also the color tan. Also, I love how cute this bow looks. And yes, this is again from all 3 tan colors. I know it's a little silly, but then yes, this is a type of footwear I will be using all the time. I keep using this color only all the time because my clothing is also very neutral, and like I know whenever I buy these footwear, they last me for more than a year. So yes, that's why I like to invest in this brand. Also, they are extremely comfortable to your feet. Because I work for sales. I work in sales. I have to run around a lot, and wearing these footwears really help me not damage my feet. Is what I will say. So that is it. So it was almost wrong if on my birthday I do not buy a piece of jewelry. And tada! This is what I got for myself. This is from House of Zareen again, and as you can see, it's a blue uncut stone. It's called blue topaz, and it's a simple dainty piece. They were running a 40% offer, and what more could I have asked? I've also got another piece. I'll show a picture of it, but that hasn't been delivered yet. I guess it's been lost in transit or something like that. But nonetheless, this is for now. So for my second last item, I have got a new bag, and this is from the brand Charles & Keith, and this is how it looks. As you can clearly see, this bag is really clearly inspired by Gucci Jackie. You can see the lock system. I also obviously the lock system is very unique, and that's what that's what interested me of this brand. And it comes with two styles. One is this, which is for more sporty look, and then this for more formal look. And inside the space, my god, it really opens up a lot. I bought this bag because I did not have anything in white color. Also, this whole lock system was really amazing, and it did come with a leather rolled into this chain, but I did not like that look, and I removed that, and this is how I like it now. And now for the final bag purchase is, ta-da! It is the Coach Field Tote medium India canvas, India monogram canvas. I again got my name monogram, Swati Singh SS, and I have attached my keychain over here, and this is how this bag looks. Yes, inside they have a strap again, which is a very nice casual strap, giving a very fun look to it. And I love this print, the horse and carriage print, over here, and the classic monogram print over here. And this is how it looks. So that is it, guys, all from my birthday haul. Hope you liked it, and please keep watching. Take care. Bye.